If you're getting a registration error on X.com or Twitter, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This usually happens because of a flagged IP address, a browser issue, corrupted DNS data, or even a temporary outage on X's side. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it without needing any advanced tools. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's start with the first method, which is the network switch. X can sometimes block new signups if your current internet connection looks suspicious, overloaded, or spammy. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your computer from your home Wi-Fi. Then grab your smartphone and turn on the mobile hotspot feature. Once the hotspot is active, connect your PC to that hotspot network instead of your regular Wi-Fi. This gives you a different internet route and often avoids the error right away. After that, open an Incognito window in your browser and try signing up again. Using a private window helps reduce issues caused by cookies or save browser data. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to try is clearing your PC's DNS cache. Sometimes your computer stores outdated or corrupted internet routing data, and that can interfere with sign-up pages loading correctly. To do this on Windows, go to your search bar and type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Once that's done, restart your PC so the change takes effect. After the restart, go back to X.com and try the registration process again. Now, if the website version is still giving you trouble, try using the official mobile app instead. This is a really useful workaround because sometimes the app works even when the desktop site does not. Download the official X app on your smartphone, then turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data instead. That gives you a cleaner connection and can help you get past the registration error. Create the account successfully on the app, and once it's done, go back to your PC, open X.com, and log in with your new account details. This is one of the easiest ways to bridge the gap if the website is acting up. Before you keep trying over and over, it's also important to check whether X is having a server outage. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. To check that, go to Downdetector.com, search for X, and look at the outage graph and recent reports. If there's a spike in reports, the issue may be on X's side, and your best option is to wait it out and try again later. You should also make sure you're opening a clean browser session before signing up. A fresh incognito or private window can help remove conflicts caused by old login sessions, cached pages, or broken cookies. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an incognito window. On Firefox, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open a private window. Then visit the official X sign-up page, click Create Account, and choose either sign up with phone or use email instead. If one method fails, try the other. At this point, if you've tried the hotspot, the DNS flush, the mobile app, the clean browser session, and the outage check, you should have a much better chance of getting through the registration error. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the problem completely. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes for apps, websites, and account issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.